Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make veg Maggie chaat masala. So I've taken a veg Maggie noodle. I've taken three of this from this particular packet, and I'm going to fry it on a pan. The pan is already hot here, and I'm going to add some oil and heat it up. So I've heated the oil, almost 1.5 tablespoon I've added. You can reduce the oil if you want. I'm going to add, I've made it into small pieces. I've broken it into small pieces. Let's fry it. So while the Maggie is getting fried, I'm going to make it nice and brown. So while it is on the low flame, while it is you know doing on the low flame, I will go ahead and add the rest of it. So I've taken a little bit of potato, boiled, a handful of potato, a handful of yellow bell pepper and green pepper, and some carrots. Everything I've just taken a handful, so it would be just one. And capsicum, so that I've added, it would be, yeah, a quarter of them. And I've taken a medium sized onion. I've cut it in this way, no specific shape. I've just gone ahead and cut it. I'm gonna mix it. Then I'll add one big tomato and some coriander leaves. And then I will add a handful of corns, 1.5 almost. So I'm going to mix them all. Look at the color. You have all nice colors here. And I'm going to add some salt and a little pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt I'm going to add. Half a teaspoon of pepper. A quarter a teaspoon of Garam Masala. Quarter a teaspoon of Cumin Powder. Quarter a spoon of chili powder. Quarter a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Almost half a teaspoon of Jal Jeera Powder. If you have it's optional, if you add it, it will be a nice taste, it will be there. And I'm going to add one lemon juice that I've taken. I'm going to add with the seeds. I just want to leave it as it is. Now I'm going to add the main ingredient, which is the fried Maggie in the oil. So I'm going to add it as I've taken it out for a few minutes. So I've added all of them. I just left it to cool for 2 minutes and then I have added it. Now I'm going to mix it all. So here it is ready. So you can just add half of a lemon to give that little pungent taste too. So here it is, a yummy Maggie fried chaat. And try it, taste it, let me know how it came, and like, share and comment. Thank you.